Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log out in your Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to get logged out or signed out from your Shein account, it is a very simple and easy step which needs you to tap open your Shein app. And once you open it, you need to now tap on the me icon, which is located in the bottom right hand side of the corner. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit on the sign out option. Once you do so, you need to tap on sign out once again, and after you do this, you need to now tap on yes. So once this process is done, you can see that now you have been successfully logged out from your Shein account. So to browse it again, you need to sign in and enjoy it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.